Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I hope all is well. Thanks for watching. Thank you for making a comment. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you. Love you guys. Okay? How is your day going so far? God has been so good. Did you stop to pray this morning? I hope so. God bless you. Okay. Today I'll be cooking. One sec. I hope you can see. Today I'll be cooking rice with squash. Okay? So I'm going to cut these fine, like just like pumpkin. This is just like pumpkin. So I'm going to cut it very small and put it in my rice. Okay, guys? And I'm going to cook some fish. I have some fried fish in my freezer. I already show you how I fried my fish. In my previous video, I already show how you fried, how I fried my fish. So guys, I have it all here. So today I'll be steaming this fish here with some beetroot. Also, I'll be putting some coconut milk in it. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. Okay? And my pot is all here ready. This is my rice pot. Can you see my fish pot? No. Oh, it's there. 1 second, please. This is my fish pot. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. All right? Thanks you again for watching my videos. So I'm washing my eyes and my sink is on the other side. Okay, guys? Can you hear the water running? Okay. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is my rice pot. I'm going to put some water in it. And this is my fish pot. Okay, I'm going to steam these fishes. So you can see now, guys, I have these fish. I'm going to steam them for you to see. Okay, guys. And you can tell me how you steam your fish, guys. Okay. Right, so my fire is all on. Let me gauge my fire. So you can see. Okay, guys, my pot is all hot. Okay, so I'm going to put in my beetroot. You can blend your beetroot. Also, you can cut up your beetroot like this. You can cut your beetroot like this and put it to soak, and you'll get your color. Also, you can cook your beetroot in your whatever meat you have to cook. Okay, guys? So I'm going to put my beetroot water in my fish. Can you see it? Okay. It's going to be dark, but no problem. You can see, guys? This is my beetroot. Also, I can put all of the fish in there. All of it. You can try it at home. My beetroot fish with coconut milk. Okay, guys? And let it stay there. And you can cook it in whatever form you want. You can put in your seasoning first, or you can cook your season, or you can, after you put your beetroot in, then you can put your seasoning in. So I'm going to put my seasoning now between the fishes. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. So I have my scallion here, guys. And I have my onion here. And put your fish in the hot water. Or if you want to put your oil in it, if you want to cook it up in oil, but I'm not going to use any oil to cook my fish because I already fried it in the oil. So it has enough oil in it. So watch as I go, guys. Tell me how you do it. Have you ever tried that one before? If you have tried it, let me know. And over here, I have my salt, my all-purpose along with Maggi. And I have my pimento here. And I have rosemary. As I say, I boil my rosemary and my thyme and my, what else? I don't remember the other one, but it's three of them. Cloves. My rosemary, my thyme, and my cloves. I boil it. Instead of using the grains, I boil it. Okay, guys? So I'm going to put it in also. You can see, guys? Okay. You can see? Right. My camera needs to set a bit better. Okay, you can see, guys? Okay, so this is it. And remember to put it in a hot pot. So I'm going to cut my seasoning from my fish now. I'm going to wash. I have tomato, I have pepper and onion. So I'm going to wash. As I say, my sink is on the other side. See here, I wash my seasoning here, guys. You can see water. Okay, guys. You do whatever form you want to put it. I didn't put your seasoning before because sometimes I cook my seasoning and then sometimes I put it before and cook. Okay, guys? But you can do it whatever way you want to. I have my onion here. My onion is so big. And see, guys, I'm gonna put a piece of pepper in it. These peppers are not spicy as I want. Okay, guys? Oh, I have a sweet pepper here. Let me get a sweet pepper. I guess I think I have. I have my sweet pepper here, guys. And guys, it's all about the flavor. It's all about the flavor, guys. So here. And as I say, you can put your seasoning before. You can put your coconut milk before. After I'll put my tomato. Okay, guys? Can you see it? Purple. Tastes so good. You can see it, guys? So I'm going to put my seasoning. Also, I can put some cut noodle in it. Okay, so you can see. Okay. Just a little, guys. If you want to put more, no problem. This is my coconut milk. And it take like 15 minutes to cook. Not much time. You can see my coconut milk here. I'm going to get some water in it. You can see here. And the beetroot can be very messy, guys. You have to clean your areas as you go. It can be very, very messy. You can see my stuff there? You can see? Just a little coconut milk in it. It will change the color, but as you go, you can put some more beetroot. Okay, guys, you can see? Okay. And you can put a little bit of browning in it also. Okay, you see it's changed the color? Okay. So I'm going to put some. I didn't plan to put any cock soup in it or whatever, but I'm going to put some of this in it to make it a bit. So this is how I do it. You can see, guys. I'm going to mix it out, put water and the noodle. Okay, guys. You can see. That's it, guys. You can see. This is a color. But it doesn't matter the color, it's just the taste. Okay, I'm going to put a little of Maggi in it, seasoning. Not much because some was on it already on the fish when I fried. No salt, no more salt. And I'm going to put some fermenter. See my fermenter, you can break it up in pieces. Okay, guys. And that's it, guys. You can put a piece, put some more. Also, you can cook a piece in it, guys, to give it some more color. And thanks again for watching. You can see, guys. That's it. You can see. I'm going to taste and let you see. And remember, guys, the coconut milk with the beetroot, it give a good taste. Okay? You see? That's the color. I'm tasting it for you, looking at it. Tastes so good, guys. You can see? Put a little bit, just a little salt. Ouch, too much. Not much salt, guys. Don't use too much salt. And I have hot water here. Let me turn it up a bit. In case anything want water, I use my hot water to put in it instead of the cold water. You can see, guys? So it's beetroot fish with coconut milk and my seasoning. Okay, and it will take like 15 minutes to cook because the fish is soft. You can see, guys, I'm going to put some more water in it. Oh, let's take some more water. Welcome back, guys. You can see my fish here. Okay, it's coming down. I'm going to do my rice over here. So I'm going to peel my squash. Look at it, guys. Squash is just like pumpkin, but it has a thicker back. So you can put your skin in it. You can cook it with the skin as well as you can take it off. Okay. Okay, guys, this is how I do it. So my water is getting hot for the rice. Okay, guys. And guys, remember to always use your ginger. Okay, whether the hard ginger or the powdered ginger. Okay, guys. So this is how I put my ginger in. See my pot coming up? You can see, guys. Okay. So watch as I go, guys. I use a bigger knife. And guys, remember you have to be very careful with the knife. Don't cut the stuff in your hand, Miguel. Sometimes it will slip. Okay. Oh, these two need to peel. My fish is there steaming. You can try it at home, guys. Try out the beetroot. Very good. You have to be careful because the skin of it is very thick. It's not like pumpkin. Skin of it is very thick. Make sure so you put all the papers or whatever. You can see, guys. Let me turn my flame up. I'm going to put piece more squash in it, guys. You need a piece more. And if you don't have squash, you use pumpkin. But I love my squash. Just put it down like this and cut. And it's all ready. I'm going to wash. Also, I'm going to wash the rice. Okay? You can view it from here, guys. That's the side of my sink. I'm washing my rice, guys. And guys, you can put both of them together, the rice and the squash. It doesn't matter because it's all going to break down. All going to mash out. Okay, guys? I'm going to strain my rice, strain off the water. You see, guys? All wash. And guys, it doesn't matter how much time you wash your rice, as long as it is clean. 3 or 4 times, as long as it is clean. But more than one time. You can see? You can see? This is my rice all washed. Let me turn it right back to my stove. Can you see, guys? So you can see my beetroot fish and coconut milk, and my pot is all ready for my rice. Okay, guys? Not much rice today. I'm going to put some salt in. Also, guys, you can cook beetroot rice also. Okay, look at it, guys. Just a little salt, not much salt. And you put salt to your taste. You see, guys? It's all boiling up. You see? It's all good. And you don't have to you don't have to boil this out because as the rice cooks, it cooks also. Okay, guys? But if you want to boil it out earlier, no problem. All right? So I'm putting in my rice now. Okay, guys? You can see? And this will take like 15 minutes or less. Depends on the texture of the rice, or you want your rice soft or what. Depends. Okay, guys? So as you can see, as I say, you can cook your squash or your pumpkin before and make it soft, so when you put the rice in, it already cooked. Or you can do it like in this way. Whatever form or way you want it, you can do it. Okay, guys? But it doesn't matter because the squash or the pumpkin will still cook. Okay? And give it the same color. All right? So it's on its way now. So like 15 minutes or so, it will be cooked. And this is my beetroot fish. Okay? You can see it? This is my beetroot fish. It's getting its color. Okay? Tastes good. And that's the color of it, guys. This is the color of my beetroot. And if you want it to be of a darker color, fine. Okay. Let me taste it, let you see. Got it, guys. Tastes so good. Beetroot fish with coconut milk. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Yes, guys, welcome back. This is my beetroot fish. Can you see? Let me show you the gravy. I have my pepper here. I'm going to put in it. Okay, guys, you can see. And this is the color of the gravy. Okay, guys. Okay. And I have my beetroot still in it. If you don't want to eat it, fine. But it's good to eat also. Not just the color, but it's good. Okay, guys. So in the next 5 minutes, this will be finished. You can see my rice. You can see? Okay. So see you in a few. Love you guys, and remember to put God first in everything you do. A God me say every time. Okay, guys? Put God in front of the battle and he will take care of everything. Yes, guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, guys, this is my finished product. Okay, guys, you can see finished product. And this is my squash rice. Okay, guys, if you want to put more squash in it, fine, no problem. If you want a brighter yellow, no problem. You put whatever you want, whatever color you want in it, you just put it. If you want it to be lighter than this, no problem. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you my finished product now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Okay, and thanks for all those subscribers, and thank you very much for all my viewers. Okay, guys, love you. Guys, this is my finished product. Okay, guys, can you see my squash rice, my beetroot fish, tomato, and strawberry here. Can you see it? Strawberry, tomato, and fish. Okay, guys. And if you want your fish to be of a darker color with the beetroot, you can put more beetroot in it. And you want it less, you can put less beetroot. And it takes like 15 minutes to cook. Also the rice. And depends on the rice that you use. If it's brown rice, it takes longer. If it's white rice, it takes less time. Okay, guys, I'm going to look at it. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm going to taste the rice. Okay, guys. Good. This is my strawberry. And this is my tomato. I'm going to taste the fish with coconut beetroot with coconut in it. You can see, guys. Tastes so good. Try it at home and let me know how it tastes. Right, guys? I love you. You are the best. And remember, guys, thank you for subscribing and thank you for sharing. And remember to trust God and put God in everything that you do. Put Him first at the bottom. He will work it out for you. I love you guys. Love you. See you on my next channel. Okay, guys. Love you. Take care. Welcome back, guys. Welcome. I'm doing the washes. How you doing? How are you? Thanks for watching. Thanks for viewing my channel again. I'm here to do my dishes. Okay, guys. How is it going so far? And as usual, this is my soap liquid and my bleach. So watch as I go, guys. And remember to clean your kitchen at night, especially at night, guys. Remember to clean your kitchen. And this is my base I use to drain my dishes in. Okay, guys. So after I wash here, I put them in my plate drainer over here. Right, guys? So watch as I go. How is life treating you? Is it okay, guys? We have to make it okay. We have to make it okay, guys. We have to make it okay by trusting God, all right? I have enough water here now. And remember, guys, to wash your cups first, okay? And God has been good to us. God has been really good to us. He kept us to see another day, all right? This is my cups. And remember, if you don't have a sink like me, you put in whatever you put in. You put in a basin or a table or a bucket, okay, guys? And remember, guys, always to pray. Always to pray and give God thanks. Put God first in everything that we do. All right, guys? Put God first. Everything that we do. Trust Him, man. Trust God. And remember to always pray and not to faint. And sometimes we faint along the way. But guys, remember, don't give up and don't give in. We may be having troubles and trials, but God is in the midst of it all. So remember, guys, to trust God. Things may not be going on your side, but you have to just pray. Pray. And it's never too late to answer your prayer. But all what God wants us to do is to trust Him. And my friends back there in Jamaica, my friends, my church people back there in Jamaica, how are you doing? How are you doing, guys? I hope all is well. I have some over on this side. Turn on your TV, Sean. You want out of all. Oh, it's in the mic. Mm-mm. I forget. It's okay. And guys, I know it's back to school now. Soon going back to school, and I know it's very hard. I know it's hard now, but we have to trust God. Some of you young people going to college, you have to trust God. You have to get a little job. Okay? And tell me what you have on your mind. All right, guys. All right, guys, remember the blade for your blender, whatever type of blender. Be careful of the blender. Okay, guys? This is very sharp, so you have to be very careful. And I have my towel here. I put them to soak from early. And then you can tip a little bleach in your washing your kitchen towels. Okay, guys. Wipe your earrings, guys. Wipe behind the pipe. Okay. Sometimes the water get behind the pipe. Wipe off your table. And as usual, I'm going to wash these over. This is how I do my kitchen at nights. No leftover. Alright, guys, I know that you're tired sometime at night, but please remember, guys, don't leave any dirty plates in your kitchen. As I say, there are some insects, some little roaches, some ants. The feed and the food. You can see, guys. And guys, this is my container for my forks, my spoon, and knives also. So I'm going to put my forks and spoon in it. See? And remember the knives, guys? Have to be very careful with the knives. Put them away. You see? See my basil? Okay, guys. Here, and be careful with your blender. So guys, I'm going to dry my soap now and put them away, pack them all away. I pack my cups away in my cupboard. And guys, if you don't have a cupboard, pack your stuff away in a bucket, on the table, anywhere which is possible. You just pack them away and do what? And cover them, guys. Cover them. Okay, guys? Cover them. And you may not have enough water as I do, but make sure your dishes are clean at the ending of the day. You see, my guys? I have to clean my sink now. And if a table you have, you clean it. And if a sink you have, you clean it. Anything you have, guys, clean it at night. Okay, guys? Not night alone, but every time, but like going to bed at night, make sure your kitchen is clean. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. See, I cleaned my sink. It's all clean. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for viewing my channel. And remember, guys, I love you. Give me a thumbs up, guys. I love you with all of my heart. All who like, all who share, all who subscribe, all of you guys, I love you with all of my heart. Okay, guys? God bless you. You have a blessed, let me put my thing. You continue to have a blessed day, or you continue to have a blessed night. And remember, guys, to put God first in all of it all, in everything. Put in your love for God because God loves you. Okay, guys, you have a blessed day and you take care of yourself. Big up to all of those who subscribe, all of those who share, all of those who like, all of those who make a comment. Love you guys. It's worth it after all. Love you guys and you take care. Big up to everybody. Let's continue to pray.